think like those long-term averages are really useful at looking at it like a market as a whole. But as you know so well, Aaron, like timing the market and getting into these pockets at the right time means that you're not experiencing what's been averaged over 10 years. You've only got to look at Perth and what it's done over the last 5 years, where you look over a 20-year period and Perth looks rubbish.
Absolutely. You look at the historical of Perth and it's been terrible. If you speak to someone who bought in Perth 5 years ago, they'll tell you a completely different story to someone who bought in Perth 20 years ago, or even 15 years ago.
For me, we've been buying up pretty heavily in Cairns over the last 5 years.
Mhm.
And you look at the growth of Cairns in the last 5 years. I don't know if you've got that data still there, Aaron, but could be worth sort of bringing up. But yeah, like you look at that 5 year growth and it's been, almost 10% per annum over the last 5 years. So that's pretty good growth in like most people's books. If you can do 10% and have a pretty reasonable yield at the same time, that becomes a pretty attractive proposition.